how to order a product. Hover over the More on the top navigation bar and select Products Resources to access the online store. On the left side of the screen, select Books under the Catalog section to narrow your viewing options. Click on the title of book you wish to purchase. Adjust the quantity if needed and select Add to Order. The item or items will be added to your cart. Hover over the shopping cart icon and then select Checkout from the pop-up menu. Choose the appropriate shipping tax address. You can add or adjust the address for the order by selecting Add New Address. Once you have confirmed that the address is correct, select Continue. Confirm the shipping method and select Continue. Enter your payment information accordingly and finish the process by selecting Process Payment. After the payment is processed, you will receive an order confirmation via email. Any additional information or access details will be sent in a separate email.